Hey guys, it's Craig with Squappy's Videos. So we're gonna go ahead and do something a little different today. What we're gonna do is I'm actually taking a trip to Best Buy to go ahead and pick up the last parts I need for a new computer build. So let's go ahead and take the trip. Alright, and we made it to Best Buy. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we're just going to go in and pick up some stuff. Let's get that done. Of course, with everything going on right now, this is actually kind of a pain in the butt to do one-handed. Let's get our mask on. See? Look. Alright, let's go. Ow. Yay. All right. There it is, Best Buy. Alright, let's go in. Let's go to the open box area while we're at it. See, I'm not afraid of open box. Many people seem to be. You can usually get a decent deal for the open box stuff. Got some surround sound stuff. Is that a screen? Wow. Cool. Open box 2.1 channel surround sound. It's not really surround sound really at that point. And some open box TVs. Looks like you can get the display model up there. Yeah. Well, I think that's the end of the open box stuff. It's actually pretty limited right now. I'll be picking that up in just a minute. It's actually the cooler that I got. And look at the price for that processor. $194. I definitely paid $155 for the same processor. Just like this MSI 5500 XT. They want $204. I paid $150 for a 5700 XT. And got all their computer stuff here, of course. Sorry, I wanted to go ahead and look at all that stuff. We got open box laptops and everything in here too. Clearance. No need for any of that. Probably got some more over this way too. Look at that. They do. There's not much. This little desktop here, just a little Ryzen 3. HDMI cables and such. 4-port USB hub. It's only USB 2.0 though. And this is all just overstock stuff. Here's all their Apple stuff. Let's see what they got as far as Apple stuff is concerned. Ooh, we got some pink stuff over here. That's pretty cool. Yeah, it looks like they got some extra stuff over here as well. As far as the microphones. Just got the Snowball like what I got. I got the Snowball Ice. I honestly don't know what the difference is. It's a lot of pink. Some other peripherals over here as well. Alright. Well, I don't know what I was looking to possibly find. Just, I always like wandering around Best Buy. I haven't been able to in probably a couple months. I finally just recently opened. So, let's see. Oh, all the gaming stuff's over here now. I was gonna go to the game stuff, because why not? Well, that was a loud noise. Oh, look, they got a crappy drone. Yeah. There's not even a price. Oh, they got some Star Wars stuff here. It's actually pretty cool. Oh, Fortnite stuff. Oh wow, look at that audio equipment. Oh look, all the Funko Pops are over here now. Let's see what we got. I feel like I have a little bit of a Funko Pop collection myself. I got more of them over here too. I already have a couple of these. Looks like some of this is just also overstock as well. Yeah, seeing a lot of the same stuff that I saw earlier. Look, you got more Pops, this time just frozen too. Alright, well, let's go ahead and, oh, never mind. Here's many more Pops. Holy crap. Wonder if they got some on the other side too. No, looks like just Lego sets. Alright, well, I guess that's enough roaming around Best Buy. Let's go ahead and pick up our parts. I don't feel like I should probably record this, so I'm gonna not record. See you after we get them. Alright guys, so picked up the stuff. Got it right here. And you go just back out to the car and then head home. So once again, my name is Craig with Squappy's Videos. I do appreciate you guys watching. I know this wasn't much. This was really just a little vlog style thing today. Sorry, I don't want to get hit by a car. But I did want to go ahead and just do a little video, getting these last two parts that I need for my next PC build. Been piecing it together. There will be a video very soon for that. So keep that in mind. And I do thank you guys for watching. Hit the thumbs up button on your way out. Also subscribe if you're not. Love to go ahead and have you as a subscriber. I will have some affiliate links in the video. Just want to go ahead and this is what I got. Little CPU cooler here. Also a little Samsung SSD. So once again, guys, thank you for watching. I do appreciate it. If you do have any questions, definitely leave some questions in the comments down below as I cover the lens. Thank you guys very much for watching. This is Craig with Squappy's Videos. Hit the thumbs up button if you haven't already. And don't forget to subscribe for weekly content, usually twice a week, of course. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.